How does age capacity affect a trustee-beneficiary? Have you ever wondered how age and capacity can influence the role of a trustee who is also a beneficiary? This is an important topic in estate planning, especially when it comes to managing assets in trusts. Let's break it down together. First, let's talk about age restrictions. When a beneficiary is a minor, which usually means they are under the age of 18, they cannot manage their inherited assets. In these situations, a trustee is appointed to handle the trust assets until the beneficiary reaches a certain age. This age can vary, often set at 18, 21, 25, 30, or even 35. The trust creator decides this age based on when they believe the beneficiary will be mature enough to manage the assets responsibly. Until that age is reached, the trustee manages the assets and can use funds for the beneficiary's health, education, and support. This setup avoids the need for a court-appointed conservator and protects the assets during the beneficiary's younger years. Now, let's discuss capacity. Capacity refers to the legal and mental ability of the beneficiary to manage their financial affairs. If a beneficiary lacks capacity due to age or other reasons, such as a disability, the trustee must act as a fiduciary. This means the trustee must manage the trust assets wisely and only for the benefit of the beneficiary. In some cases, the trustee may need to provide reports to the beneficiary's legal representative or guardian, especially if the beneficiary cannot understand the trust's operations. This ensures that there is oversight and protection for the beneficiary's interests. When the trustee is also a beneficiary, trusts often include provisions that delay asset distribution until the beneficiary reaches a certain age or milestone. For example, some trusts may state that assets will be distributed at age 30. This allows for professional management and protection from creditors until that time. In practical terms, there are several applications in estate planning. Contingent trusts can be set up to activate if a beneficiary is a minor or lacks capacity. An adult trustee will manage the assets until the beneficiary matures. Trusts can also specify staggered distributions at different ages, reflecting the growing capacity of the beneficiary to manage funds. Sometimes, an independent trustee is named to manage assets for a set period after a death, giving beneficiaries time to grieve and learn financial management without immediate pressure. It is also important to note that trustees have a fiduciary duty to act in the best interest of the beneficiary. They must manage assets prudently and avoid conflicts of interest, especially when their roles overlap. Lastly, beneficiaries who reach a certain age, often around 25 or 30, usually have the right to be informed about the trust and receive accountings directly. For minors or those lacking capacity, these rights are exercised by their legal representatives or guardians. Trust documents may allow representatives to receive information on behalf of beneficiaries, ensuring transparency while protecting sensitive interests. In summary, age and capacity play a significant role in how a trustee manages trust assets for a beneficiary. Trusts are designed to protect beneficiaries who are minors or lack capacity by appointing trustees with fiduciary duties to manage and distribute assets responsibly. This framework is essential in estate planning to safeguard assets and ensure proper administration aligned with the intentions of the trust creator.